DNA deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid are both essential biological molecules that play key roles in the storage and expression of genetic information. However, there are some important differences between them. Structure: DNA is a double-stranded molecule consisting of two complementary strands of nucleotides that run in opposite directions, while RNA is a single-stranded molecule composed of nucleotides. Sugar component: the sugar component in DNA is deoxyribose, while in RNA it is ribose. Number of nitrogenous bases: there are 4 nitrogenous bases in DNA: adenine A, cytosine C, guanine G, and thymine T. RNA contains the same 4 nitrogenous bases as DNA, but instead of thymine, RNA contains uracil U. Function: DNA serves as the blueprint for an organism, containing all of its genetic information. RNA plays an important role in the expression of that genetic information by transcribing a portion of DNA into a complementary RNA molecule and translating the RNA into a protein. Location: DNA is found in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, while RNA can be found in the nucleus as well as in the cytoplasm. In summary, while DNA and RNA are both important biological molecules, they have distinct structures, components, and functions within the cell.